Okay, now let us see about the internal connection of this particular system, which is Rockwell emergency stop, a switch or sensor, so which is particularly applied for many areas, especially in electrical and electronic system and the machine system. So now let us open it and how the system, the internal wiring system looks like. So okay, all right. So you can see from here we have a lightning system and we have the resetting button here. So this one is just for the resetting one. The green one is just for the resetting purpose. Nothing inside it. By the way, this machine or this sensor is a very important, playing a very important role in a cross-belt sortation system. So especially in the e-commerce technology or e-commerce technology areas. So we need to have implement such kind of sensing devices. So the lightning have one, two, and three. So one, two, they are normally closed points. They're normally closed points. So the wire is it's gonna be plugged on, and that is we have here. I have already planned to coded the wire. So the wires are just the emergency stop GND, the ground wire, and the emergency stop EE indicator 11. So these two, the blue one and the brown one, color codes are gonna implement or gonna supply in this particular point. So one and two are in order to wire those lines. One and two. Here we have uh, ESGND, which is a grounding layer, and ES indicator 11. So for the lightning purpose. And the other thing is for this purpose, we have to have here we have an emergency. So now the emergency was locked on. So in order to make it back again, so I have to use the manual conversion system here. So I have to reset it by the hand. So here the wires inside it have here we have the last wires. These are the normally open wires or the normally open points here. These 33 and 34 are the normally open points, and these are normally closed points. They are latched to each other. So in order to unlock back the system, so we don't wire in here, but we wire the wiring point is in here normally open point is here. So we have normally open, the normally open 33 and 34 are the inside wire configuration for this full rope emergency to switch or sensor. And in this particular point, I have another wiring. I designed another point as you can see from here, which is coming from the main control cabinet or the main switch cabinet. These are signal is ES is the emergency stop signal 11 and the emergency stop signal 11. Emergency stop signal 11 are gonna be here with the black and the white wire. So the wires are slight little bit a brown, no, a white wire and the black wires are gonna be implemented in this particular line. So this is all about the configuration. Later on I'll show you how to connect. Bye bye.